Are you having problems with your Meta Horizon app that it's stuck on allow permissions and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually I had very similar issue myself just a couple of days ago, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So firstly, what I did is that I exited my Meta Horizon app, and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into my settings app, and here, as you can see, then I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what I did on this page is that I just scrolled down a little bit in here, and then I clicked where it says storage. So I just clicked on storage, and then you're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load right here, as you can see. So we're just going to keep waiting right here, and when it's done, you're just going to swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on the search bar, and here just search for Meta Horizon, of course, and then just click on the app. Now we're just going to click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App in here, and just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Because what will happen now is that your Meta Horizon app will automatically now update to its latest version. So you're going to force the app to update to its up-to-date version now, and this actually fixed it for me. It fixed all the bugs that was in the previous one. So try this, and when it's done, go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.